Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do the dashboard preferences on the Tumblr application or set these preferences. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app on your phone. Tap on the last icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Click on General Settings. Then you should scroll down to the Dashboard Preferences section and tap on it. Here you can choose from a bunch of options or turn on a bunch of options such as Best Stuff First. So if you are short on time, this switch will put the stuff that you like at the top of your dash. You can also include stuff in your orbit, meaning that these are the posts that your favorite people liked. Then you can also turn on this include based on your likes option, which will show the following tab alongside posts from blogs you follow. You can also turn on the include follow tag posts, enable colorized tags, and show timestamps on posts, reblogs, and notes options. Then the last two options are about the enabling swiping through dashboard tabs and shortening long posts, so it will make it easier to browse Tumblr feeds. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.